Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to import products from different websites to your Shopify store for free. So let's get started. So now here we are on Shopify, and from here, what we would need is an app called Robo. So you want to go here into the search bar, type in Robo, and then you'd have the Robo product importer. So if you can see it right here, click here on search in Shopify App Store. And then from here, you should now be seeing the Robo app, which is this one right here. So just click on that. And from here, you want to click on install. And then you would need to click on the install again once this loads right here. So let's just wait for that and click here on install. And there it is. We will now be redirected into the app right here. So from here, we would need to install the free Chrome extension. So click on get extension here and click here on add to Chrome. In my case, I have already added this, so I can just go here and make sure that my Robo product importer is currently pinned here in my extensions here in my Google Chrome. So once you've done that, you can now visit a product details page on any online store. So in this example, we'll just be using Amazon right here. So Amazon will be going here and we're just gonna select a product. So let's just select a random product right here so that I can show you how easy this works. So let's say I'm just gonna go for this tumbler right here. So here it is. We are now in the product page, and what we're gonna do from here is click on the Robo extension on our Google Chrome right here and click on add to Shopify. And then after that, it's currently processing, so just wait for that. And right here, so let's just wait for it. And here it is. It is now finished loading. So from here, we can now see the product basic info, the description, images, and import, and so on. And by the way, you can also put the product page link right here if you would want that method, if you don't want to use the extension. So right here in the basic info, you can see the title, product type, vendor, collections, if you want to add this to your collections, and so on. And this is the price right here. So you might want to increase this so you can compare the price, SKU, and so on right here. So let's say we want to go for 35 and this one would be 50 right here, and the barcode, and so on. And you have your description right here. If you'd want to change this, you can feel free to do so. And the images that you would use in importing this into your Shopify, and import right here. So now if you would want to import this now into your Shopify, you just click on add product to Shopify. And then next, as you can see, it would say product imported successfully. So now let's go into our Shopify store and see if it's really imported. Let's refresh first and then click here on the product section. And right here, we can now see that it is now imported right here. The wall of receipt insulated stainless steel water bottle, which is this one right here. As you can see, this has the same name as this one right here. And we can see it right here. The only problem with this one right here, since this is just for free, is that the photo wasn't uploaded. But no worries, all you have to do is just simply download this photo right here, download that just like so, and then go here, upload here, and then here upload the photo that you have downloaded from that store or from Amazon, and just put it right here. And then after that, you want to click there on save. So we're just gonna go here, and then we're just gonna go for just change something in here right there, and then click here on save. And there we have it. And now let's go back into our product section, and then from here we can see that it now has a picture of that product in here. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can import products from different websites to your store for free on Shopify. And remember, you can basically use this on any website, like for example AliExpress, in and many more platforms that you would want to use it. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.